Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. Aries. So these are for your general energies, Aries. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. And I also have a special pick a card love reading right after this general energy, guys. So if you are interested, you can watch that reading, guys. So that will follow this general energy. So let's start with these cards here. We have Nine of Moons, Judgment, and Eight of Suns. So with these cards, guys, in your situation today, Aries, it may be in your career or it may be in your relationship, guys. Today in your situation, people are appreciating you guys for your skills and talents, the way you are doing your work and the way you are handling your situation. People are simply attracted to the way of your work, attracted to your charming. Maybe you are maybe very charming person, and your positive progress in life, the way you do your work and complete, and things are going in a very positive way, guys. Maybe for some of you there are huge changes, positive changes coming in your career situation or in your relationship, and maybe for some of you you are getting a promotion. So some good changes are happening today for you all, guys. And maybe whatever was suspended or some kind of delays you would have seen, some projects or some assignments. And Aries, you are going to see luck working, guys, in your situation, and you are maybe in whatever you have planned for in your career or in your personal life, you are going to get lucky in love and in your career. So you may see it as a coincidence, maybe when you are moving towards some or you're approaching for some changes in your career or some important decisions that may happen without your effort, something like a coincidence. So good luck is also on your side, guys, today, Aries. So whatever work related decisions or it may be in your personal life, you are going to be really successful. All your troubles are simply going to vanish today for you all, guys, Aries. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship, guys. We have Four of Moons. So with this card, guys, in your relationship, maybe today in this connection, it may be the way you are or it may be the way that person is. You are maybe facing lot of stress in your career situation, so you do not have that concentration in your relationship, guys, or in this person. Or maybe for some of you, you have your aspirations, huge aspirations and goals to reach, so you are taking time to make that deeper commitment in this relationship, guys. And what is the card for your career situation? We have Five of Moons. So with this card in your career situation, guys, Aries, for some of you there is some kind of a financial loss you are facing today, and whatever negative circumstances are there for you, you are going to come out of it, guys, because with the previous cards we saw success and good luck working on your side, guys, Aries. So that is the reading, guys. If you want more clarity, watch the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, Aries. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So, this is your first card, this is your second card, and this is your third card. You can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds in silence, then open your eyes and choose the card, or we have these crystals. So, we have 3 crystals. You can either think with the cards or the crystals. So go for that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card for you all after a few seconds. Okay guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will keep these cards aside. So for those who have chosen this card and this crystal, let's see what it is. It is Sacred Convergence. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, in your life now, right now, there is a great progress happening, guys. Something that is helping your soul to grow, or there is some kind of divine awakening. So you are asked to drop the barriers or defenses you have towards the people you feel good with. Maybe there are friends and family members you feel really comfortable with, happy to be with. And however, there are few people who are maybe inspiring you in a negative way. They are involving you in some kind of a blame game, trying for that manipulation, something that is dampening your spirit or dragging you down. So you need to step away from that, guys, and you need to feel nourished when you are with people you love, and share yourself without fear. Just be without any plans. Just do your part. Everything is going to happen at the right time, guys, and that is a great spiritual gift being presented to you now, guys. And this oracle also comes with a special guidance that there is a possibility of a very positive relationship happening today in our situation, guys, and growth of love. So just you need to make that choice. Trust yourself and your intuition, and then make the choice. So that way you will get lucky. You will find the person you simply love to be with whom you feel really nourished and happy. So that is the energy, guys. So maybe for some of us, when we step away from people who have a negative impact on us, we are going to lose many people, and there are just going to be few honest, truthful people in our situation. But we need not worry. These people are our soul family, guys, and they are going to nourish our souls, make us emotionally complete. So that is the reading, guys, with this card for those who have chosen this card. So let's see what is the reading with the second card. This is your second crystal, and this is your second card, guys. So it is amber. So with this crystal spirit, it just means that whatever lessons that we have learned with our experience, our past experience, we always have a choice in our relationship whether we can stay or move away, to learn, to grow, or to move on to a new relationship. So if you want a different kind of a relationship, and if you want it next time, you need to understand what went or what happened in your past relationship, guys. So those lessons or that wisdom is going to help you to avoid repeating the pain again in this present relationship or in your future relationships. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you need to go for that wisdom or learning in your situation today or in your past, whatever you faced. You should try and what to say, learn that lessons whatever happened to us, so that way we will not make the same mistakes again. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who have chosen the second card, that is the reading. So for those who have chosen this crystal and this card, let's see what it is. It is the poisoned apple, jealousy. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your situation there is something tempting you, something which looks like a gift, wrapped up like a gift, but in truth it is a poison, guys, poison for your soul. So you need to think again and again before accepting that gift. So you need to refuse what is being presented to you, guys. Maybe it may be in the form of a relationship, or it may be in the form of some offers or opportunities. So you need to find your own way to power, knowledge, to love and wisdom. But if you have accepted that poisoned apple, do not be afraid. You will recover, guys, but the pain you go through is going to give you that gift of experience and clarity in your heart about your relationship, guys. So you are going to change for the better with that learning. So maybe it is time, if you can avoid, it is time you need to be very careful, guys. And you need to examine the sources of your information and ideas when you are getting some from people. And you should not have too much trust or on anyone, or in any given circumstance. You should think twice before you step into some important decisions today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. If you like this reading, I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.